Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will tell you a very simple and interesting story. As you all know, Emperor Akbar was very impressed with Birbal's wisdom and greatly enjoyed his quick wit. One fine morning, when Akbar was specially pleased with Birbal, as a gesture of appreciation, he promised to reward him with many valuable and beautiful gifts. However, many days passed, and still there was no sign of even one gift. Birbal was quite disappointed with the king. Then one day, when Akbar was strolling down the banks of river Yamuna with his ever-faithful Birbal at his side, he happened to notice a camel passing by. He asked Birbal why the neck of the camel was crooked. Birbal thought for a second and promptly replied that it might be because the camel may have forgotten to honor a promise. The holy books mention that those who break their word get punished with a crooked neck. Perhaps that was the reason for the camel's crooked neck. Akbar soon realized his folly of making a promise to Birbal for gifts and not honoring it. He was ashamed of himself. As soon as they returned to the palace, he immediately gave Birbal his justly deserved reward. As you can see, Birbal always managed to get what he wanted without directly asking for it. The end of the story. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.